Hello and welcome. My name is Paul and I will show you how to solve the problem and I will show you how to solve the problem of the Microsoft Visual Studio 2022 not showing the IntelliSense for Unity games. So I'm using here Unity 2020.3.25 and I'm using Microsoft Visual Studio. The problem arises when I click on the C# script. If I click on the C# script here and edit, it opens my Visual Studio 2020, but it does not show IntelliSense. So IntelliSense is where when you click on the dot, it is supposed to pop this up for you to choose what class you want to use and so on. So how do you solve the problem? So how I solve it is like this. You have to open your Unity. Note that I'm using Unity 2020. Let me just confirm that for you. Open Unity Hub and you will see my Unity is 2020.3 and my Visual Studio is Visual Studio 2020. Okay, let's show you how I solve this. So first you need to go to Edit, go to Preferences, select External Tools, and here scroll down and select Visual Studio Community 2020. After you have done that, make sure all these two is checked and then click Regenerate Project Files. After you have done that, open your script again, click on Edit Script, and you will see an error. It will tell you that you need to install additional packages. So go ahead and allow it. Click on the Install Additional Packages. Those additional packages I believe are the Unity packages which will make your Visual Studio work with Unity. So go ahead and let it install. So after you've installed that, you have a second error. The second error at the bottom here will say assembly not compatible. So that assembly not compatible, you can easily solve it. Just right click, I think it was right click or just click on it to let it reload. So go ahead and reload the assembly. After reloading the assembly, this thing will change to show you the assets, your assets for your current Unity project. And now when you go here, you will see all this turning to green. Previously it was all black in color. Now it's green. And now if you were to put a dot here, you will find the IntelliSense is working. So this is how I solve my problem with the IntelliSense for Microsoft Visual Studio 2022 not working properly with Unity projects. So I hope this helps you guys out who are also facing the same problem. Now my problem is a bit unique. My problem arises because I installed Microsoft Visual Studio 2022 before I installed Unity. So I already had Microsoft Visual Studio 2020 before Unity. That is because I was doing other projects with Microsoft Visual Studio 2020 C# projects. And then when I went to install Unity 2020.3, I did not install the Microsoft Visual Studio which comes with Unity installation, because I thought that since I already had my Microsoft Visual Studio 2020, I didn't have to do that. So that's why I faced this problem, and you might face the same problem. I hope this helps you guys out. Thank you for watching.